Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. So this con relates scale drawings to area. For some of you, it's going to hit home. You're going to get it pretty quickly. For others of you, I want you to really pay really close attention because it might be a difficult one for some people. But hopefully, as soon as you understand this, it will get there, and I'm going to do my very best to explain it. So notice that this one, it says polygon B is a scale copy of polygon A using a scale factor of 5, meaning that one polygon B, is 5 times bigger than polygon A. Okay. How many times larger is polygon B than polygon A? So at first thought, you might say, well, it's 5 times bigger because the scale factor is 5. But that's not correct, and here's why. So here is, let's say I take a polygon, and I'm going to make this polygon a 1 by 1. So 1 unit long by 1 unit high. So notice that it's a 1 by 1 polygon. And if I'm going to do a scale factor of 5, that means I'm going to make it 5 times bigger going this direction and 5 times bigger going this direction. So here I've drawn one that is that. You'll notice that this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going this direction and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going this direction. Notice that the area of this polygon is 5 times 5, which is 25. So the area is 25 for this polygon, while the area for the other polygon is just simply 1. Oh, I didn't mean for that to pop up. Hold on here. Let me just I'll come back to it. There we go. There we go. While the scale factor for this polygon is just simply an area of 1 unit. So really, after we apply a scale factor of 5, because it works 2 dimensionals, going this direction and this direction, it's really 5 times 5 bigger, or it's 25 times bigger. So we're going to put that 25 there because it's 25 times bigger. Now, I'm going to erase all this, and we're going to do another one. We're going to do 4 of these. Polygon Y has an area of 11 square units. We're going to have a scale factor of 3, meaning we're going to make it 3 times bigger going one direction, and then 3 times bigger going another direction. Well, what is 3 times 3? We need to take the scale factor, we need to multiply it by itself, 3 times 3, and then take whatever that is and multiply it by the area of the original one. So 3 times 3 would be 9, 9 times 11 would be 99. So the new area, if the old area was 11 and it gets a scale factor of 3, it's a 3 by 3 or 9 times bigger for 99. Let's do another one. Polygon C has an area of 7 units, okay? And then they draw a new polygon that has an area of 28. So it went from 7 to 28. The area went from 7 to 28, meaning it was 4 times bigger. Well, it's 4 times bigger because it got bigger one direction and then the other direction. So what times what? What times itself equals that 4, which got 4 times bigger? That'd be 2. That means your scale factor is 2. I think some of you right now are going, oh, I'm starting to get it. Others of you are going, wait a minute, I really don't get this. And that's what I'm going to be there on Google Hangouts to help you with. So please know that. Let's do one last one. Polygon Q has a scale factor, or is a scaled copy of P using a scale factor of 1/2. What is the area of, or what is polygon Q's area written as a fraction of polygon P's area? So what is 1/2 times 1/2? Well, for the numerator, 1 times 1 is 1, but for the denominator, 2 times 2 is 4. So polygon Q is actually 1/4 the area of polygon P. Some of you are thinking, oh, I got this. Others are going to be confused, and that's what I'm here to help you with. We'll see you at Google Hangouts. Bye-bye.